Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best bearing kit is probably one of the most essential components in ensuring the smooth operation of machinery and vehicles. These kits, like the L68149, are designed to reduce friction and allow for efficient movement between parts. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of bearing kits, exploring their crucial role and why choosing the right one can make all the difference. Number 5. Timken Set 17, L68149 L68111, Bearing Set. Introducing the Timken Set 17 Bearing Set. This set is engineered for optimal performance and durability. Crafted from high-quality steel, it's built to last. This ensures reliability and longevity in various applications. Designed for minimal rotational weight, this set enhances efficiency. It helps reduce energy consumption and improve overall performance. Experience increased efficiency with minimal friction. This feature contributes to smoother operation and extended component life. Offering original equipment quality, it meets the highest standards. You can trust this set for its performance and reliability. This bearing set features a high level of performance and quality. It's designed to deliver exceptional results in demanding conditions. What we like. This bearing set is made of high-quality steel, ensuring durability and longevity. It's engineered for minimal rotational weight, increasing efficiency. If you're looking for a reliable, high-performance bearing set that meets original equipment standards, this is the one for you. What people say. American-made, quality bearings. The higher price is worth the peace of mind that I get. They installed and fit perfectly as you would expect. Timken is made in USA, at least some of their products. Perfect fit, works fine. Number 4. 3,500 pounds trailer axle bearing kit for number 84 Spindle. This is a bearing kit designed for 3,500 pounds trailer axles. It includes everything you need to maintain or repair your trailer's wheel bearings. It ensures smooth and safe trailer operation. The kit includes two sets of L4464910 and L6814911 bearings. These high-quality bearings are crucial for the proper function of your trailer wheels. They are built to withstand heavy loads and provide long-lasting performance. This kit is specifically designed for spindles with a number 84 size. Make sure this kit is compatible with your trailer before installing it. It's a perfect fit for your trailer. The kit is designed for a 1.719-foot spindle. The bearings and seals are precisely matched to this size. This ensures a secure and reliable fit. The kit includes 10 to 19 grease seals. These seals protect the bearings from contaminants and help retain grease. This will extend the life of the bearings. This kit is suitable for easy lube axles. It makes maintaining your trailer's bearings easier. It's a convenient solution for your trailer maintenance needs. What we like. This kit includes all the necessary components for your trailer axle. It's designed specifically for 3,500 pounds trailers with easy lube axles. If you have a trailer that needs a complete bearing kit, this product offers everything you need in one package. What people say. Excellent bearings, and as expected is all I can say. They are of good quality. Two of these were the perfect set to repack the bearings on our 16-foot Airstream Bambi with Dexter axle. They did the job. I wasn't able to find a store where to buy them, so I decided to take a gamble on my Dexter 3,500 pounds axle, and it paid off. Number 3. Trailer Bearing Kit 2-pack for 3,500 pounds axle. This trailer bearing kit features a reinforced spring behind the lip. This design helps to retain grease inside the hub, ensuring smooth operation. It also protects against water and road grime. The kit includes bearings and races with specific dimensions. The inner bearing has an ID of 1.378 inches, while the outer bearing has an ID of 1.063 inches. These precise measurements ensure a perfect fit. Each package includes all the necessary components for a complete replacement. You'll receive inner and outer bearings, races, grease seals, tang washers, and cotter pins. This ensures you have everything you need. This kit is designed as a direct replacement for original equipment parts. The included part numbers are L68149, L68111, L44649, L44610, and 171,255 terabytes. It's a reliable solution for your trailer. We stand behind the quality of this product with a 1-year, unlimited mileage guarantee. You can trust that it's built to last and perform reliably. Purchase it with confidence. What we like. This kit features a reinforced spring behind the lip to retain grease and protect against contaminants. It's also a direct replacement for your original equipment. If you value longevity and peace of mind with a quality guarantee, you should consider this kit. What people say. Great description and precise measurements. Installed perfectly. Bearing kit fits great. Number 2. XiKe trailer bearings L68149 L44649. Are you looking to enhance your trailer's reliability? These bearings are designed for optimal performance. They ensure smooth and efficient operation. These bearings are made from high-quality chrome steel. This makes them rugged and durable, ensuring a long lifespan for your trailer's wheels. The bearings are engineered with 100% dimensional tolerance. This ensures a perfect fit and optimal performance. They are also inspected for noise and vibration. This set fits trailer axle hub wheels for 1 to 3/8 foot to 1 to 1/16 axles. It includes all necessary components for easy installation and use. Purchase with confidence, as it comes with a 1-year or 50,000-mile free replacement or refund guarantee. You can trust the quality and reliability of this product. With a history dating back to 1945, this product is manufactured by bearing experts. Their experience ensures a product you can trust. What we like. This bearing kit uses high-quality chrome steel for quiet, high-speed rotation. Each bearing undergoes noise and vibration inspection to ensure optimal performance. If you are looking for a bearing kit with a guarantee, this is a great choice. What people say. The bearing kit was a perfect fit. The product worked as expected. Number 1. WESTERNPRIME 3500 LB Trailer Bearing Kit. This kit is designed for 3,500-pound trailer axles. It includes everything you need to keep your trailer running smoothly. It's a complete solution for your bearing maintenance needs. The kit contains 4 sets of inner bearings and races, specifically L68149 L68111. These components are crucial for the proper function of your trailer's wheels. They ensure durability and reliable performance. Also included are 4 sets of outer bearings and races, model L44649 L44610. These are designed to withstand the rigors of the road. They are essential for the safe operation of your trailer. The kit features 4 double-lip grease seals, size 10 to 19 with a 1.719-inch inner diameter. These seals protect the bearings from contaminants. They help extend the life of the bearings. This comprehensive kit provides all the necessary components for your trailer's bearing maintenance. It's a convenient and cost-effective way to ensure your trailer's reliability. Get yours today and keep your trailer rolling. What we like. This kit is designed for tandem axle trailers, providing a complete set of bearings and seals. It's specifically made for 3,500 lb trailer axles. If you have a tandem axle trailer, this kit offers a convenient and comprehensive solution. What people say. All parts were an exact fit. Everything was complete and I was missing nothing. Got every parts. I read some comments saying they only got the seals, but I got everything and they fit exactly like they should. Seems like the exact same quality as the OEM ones I had. All written made in China. Nothing to complain about. Every piece needed to replace Dexter, bearings, races and seals. All fit exactly as needed. Good DIY trailer maintenance kit. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.